another Focus ST. We are actually fitting a set of BC Racing coilovers to it.
Whoa.
For us, this is a massive reveal day again, another new car. Now, those of you that know a bit about the F-150 know that this version didn't come to the UK. Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. My name's Darren Evans and this is BD Performance. We're here today with another Focus ST. What a surprise. And before I tell you exactly what we're going to be doing to this vehicle, if you haven't subscribed already, I'm not sure why, about 70% of you aren't subscribed and you still watch this, which in itself is quite strange in all honesty. So, at this point now, I'd like you to just pause the video and go and subscribe. It doesn't cost anything at all. Otherwise, Lee said he's going to come round to your house and spend Christmas Day with you. Right. So that's enough time to pause. So what we've got is a Focus ST Mk2. It's a pre-facelift one, and we are actually fitting a set of BC Racing coilovers to it. Now I know that we've done this previously on the video for the Mk7, but Lee did that, and let's face it, probably always wrong. But luckily I'm the only one driving it, me and Lee Lockwood anyway. So yeah, we're going to get on with fitting these BCBRs to this Focus. He's having some other work done, but it's just this bit that we're filming. It's actually a 7.5 kit, and it's the built-in reservoir. So we're going to take you through showing you installation of the fronts and the rears, dampers and springs, and we're going to show you exactly how this car ends up looking. We're not sure exactly what we're going to do is yet, because the customer's not sure himself how he wants it to look. Now obviously he's gone for this upgrade because, not for any of the reason, his springs and shocks haven't actually failed or anything, but he's decided he wants to lower it and at the same time take out the risk of the dampers failing. So I'm going to let Ben get on with this. I'm sure we'll have some cinematics and some other stuff through it, and I'll do a bit more talking when we're kind of part way through. See you in a bit, guys.
Doing 90 on the jet skis. Yeah, we living. Tell these haters come and get me. Come and get me. Little mama, you look sexy. And she bad. I wanna she gon' let me. See. I ain't they don't test me. Don't test me. Ice heart Wayne Gretzky. Ice style. Knew what it was when you met me. Yeah, you know that. Just be real, don't upset me. Don't do that. I ain't got time for the foolery. None of these ain't cool.
Right guys, so we're part way through now. Ben's working on the rear of the vehicle. He's dropped the rear track control arms and installed the coilover springs themselves, and now he's working on an individual dampers. The customer's decided to set this up sort of midway through with the range. There's about 32 settings. Ben's trying to count and I'm saying a number out loud, that's annoying. There's about 32 settings on the rear here, so you can adjust the damping. You can not only do that, but you can also adjust the spring rate and everything. You can have external reservoirs on this, but for road we recommend normally somewhere near 7.4, 7.5 roughly in terms of spring weight itself. The customers also indicate that he wants a similar sort of stance that you get off the 2040 springs from H&R. It wasn't particularly that he did this for any track use or anything like that, just fast road. And obviously when you're replacing the springs on a vehicle alone, the dampers do fail on most occasions, not, you know, within a couple of years or whatever. This just means that he's done it all in one. These kits are a little bit more expensive now. They're about £899 starting price. They used to be about £749, which was really economic. It's still an amazing price for a kit like this. There's obviously comparable kits from, you know, the like of Bilstein and stuff like that, but there's no adjustable top mounts on them. The damping I don't think is adjustable on most of the kits apart from the B14s, correct me in the comments if I'm wrong. But this is just a multi-purpose kind of kit that suits track, a fast road, and those that just want a stance and want to make sure that they don't have to replace the dampers at any point. So I'm going to let Ben get on with the rest of this. We've already seen him fit the front replacement complete units, and now we're just finishing off by fitting the rear dampers. We'll get it down, see how it looks, and hopefully we'll take it for some alignment at Buckley Tyres, and that'll be this job complete. It did form part of a bigger job, but we just thought we'd film this segment for you so that we didn't make it too long.
And I'm the best gifts on a rap rap it. Anything I do, they gon' back it. Even when my back against the basket. Stone Island a jacket, double I, yeah, they jacket. If I say it once, then that's it. But we went and doubled up. Nah, that's just water in my double cup. Doing 90 on a jet ski, tell them buckle up. Anybody wanna test me, we could knuckle up. Cause we got some real hooders, know a couple of them. Had enough problems, less drama, stay silent.
Right guys, so that's it. The coilover kit's installed. Once again, this is a BC Racing BR kit. So built-in reservoir rather than external reservoir. It is the 7.5 kit, I believe. Been set now, hopefully, to mimic that of the 40-20 kit on, or 20-40 kit of the H&R. So it's got a nice level stance. We've set the damping, as I said previously, to the sort of happy medium, which is the middle of the clicks wise. So hopefully it won't be too harsh and won't be too kind of bangy and stuff. But yeah, hopefully the customer will enjoy this. We've got some other bits. We've done a block mod, some bits of CP work to it, and Ben's going to do some aero catches as well, but we're not going to film that. But for now, if you like this sort of content and you haven't already, then please consider subscribing. Press that bell icon to stay notified, and comment down below if there's something else that you want to know. We try and answer as many questions as we can. Thanks again. I haven't said it in many videos previously, but huge thanks to you guys for helping us to achieve 10,000 subscribers. It means a lot to us all, and it's a great achievement. In fairness, only a year to get there. Thanks to the guys here for making that happen anyway. But we'll see you in the next video.
Doing 90 on the jet skis. Yeah, we living. Tell these haters come and get me. Come and get me. Little mama, you look sexy. And she bad. I wanna she gon' let me.